Enshuminche hwire abanyishengero bakayika harugutoru orwa Entebbe Express Highway okureba enshoroza ya sentezi bitu bakashanga ngo kitongore cha Works bakashanga Ministry ya Works ekakwasa plan aba Pinnacle okushoroza ahari billioni $200 harugutoru kandi kitongore echa Pinnacle nacho chakwasibwe chakwase kitongore kinde cha Agis okubancho chashoroza akachiko kishengero aka physical infrastructure kayongera kushijuma nkoko kitongore cha Agis ecyahirwe contractensia bwayima kitongore cha Pinnacle kumara endagano yacho abakachiko batangara bwayima yo kushanga ngo sente ziri kushorozwa nizikoresebwa nibakoresa cash omumbi yo koresa byoma bya karamagezi ebiro automatic.
Employment contracts. The first year you had a private company to source staff. That was under Aegis. After the first year, these people are now signing contracts with Pinnacle. And we have copies of both contracts. So we are trying to understand what was the scope of work of Pinnacle versus Aegis. We also want to know if, because we are going to go to that tour, can I get a printout, a statement of my vehicle? How many times it has passed? Because in a bank, if I can't get a bank statement, it means my data can be altered at any time. Or my money in the bank can be lost. So I want to give you a number, about 2 number plates, and you print out the statements of those cars, how many times they have been passing.
A report on that, which we do have. The toll specialist has it. She furnished it with me. We shall be able to send it to you, and you will be able to review if there are any other issues you would like to address, with regards to the processes and what is it, because the report also explains what it is that they did for the few that I remember.
Na bwanyuma abanyishengero bashanga ngo company ya Agis ekahewe endagano ensya ahari billioni 36 buri mwaka kandi ahari yezi government ya Uganda netungaho miliyoni 9 zonka.
Whistleblower na nakachiko ka infrastructure ahabwemerimo okwera kugenda omwihanga eriza cyatangaza twaza hari Entebbe Express twashanga ngo itwentweyiba ka government ntweyiba ahabwenshonga no shanga omuntu eziba kucyaginga omunda omukaju esente ziba kucyaginga emotoka empango no mutwaro gumwe bakateka mu system omuntu omukaju kwabo kutwaza kurebamo emotoka enche ne 15 konka orukurabaho weno shanga mamcharging 15 balance he kuza turukamanya ochubuza ochukwataho mwabyegekera Ministry of Works ochubuza ba Ministry of Works babyegekera ba company mbwenu hatureba harumwe kitashemire kandi kitagenzireje na mnonga o ministry ya Works.
Twenda kwetegereza enkoragana ya yeji company rukushoroza sente mu kitindisa kitu sente ne bazitwara bata emirimo y'ibakora ne heshemerwa nesha shureze sente twareba ngo hari mu challenges mu system sente za Uganda ziri mu mikono y'abana abasigaze nabisha barukora mu booth ombwomobu ombuduko bwo bukwata sente nkimanisa ekibakwenda kukorana bakitukora twakorana experiment twareba ngo really system ine challenges so tion to endera investigation
gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumza.